Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. A narrow dirt road. Full story. Back in the 2000s, a young lady was living in Mobay and had to get up at 4 every morning to go work at the Shell gas station. One morning, the young lady was on her way to work. It was a lonely road. There were bushes on every side. She waited for a taxi, but none came. She waited a little longer until she saw a lady in white top and black pants walking. She didn't remember the lady passing her, but she was happy to have the company all the same. She started to walk behind the lady. Every time she tried to catch up to the lady, she can't seem to. She walked faster and faster, and the lady still seemed far away. She even called out to the lady, but she didn't turn around. The young lady didn't take it for anything because some people are not friendly, especially if they don't know you. The young lady kept walking and even started to run at one point because she was afraid. There was a gully on the path. If you ever fall down there, it was your instant demise. It's a tall precipice with enough water to unalive you. As she started to catch up with the lady, a car was coming ahead. The young lady stopped, allowing the car to pass because it was a narrow road to the point that two vehicles couldn't pass at the same time. When the young lady looked up to see the lady, she was gone. She even looked over the precipice to see if the lady fell over, but she wasn't there. The lady disappeared. The road was long and narrow. There was no way she could have just went away. Is either she fall or fly because there was no way else to go and she didn't pass. The young lady started to get dizzy because she realized it was a duppy. She didn't walk any further. She turned back and ran until she saw a taxi. She told the driver about her encounter. The driver told her that the duppy lady was going to work because back when she was alive, every morning she went to work at that time. He said that her husband used a machete to unalive her in their home because a neighbor told him she was cheating on him. That neighbor was also sleeping with the husband, but she wanted him for herself, so she lied on her. The neighbor didn't know that the man would unalive her. She thought the man would just leave the woman and come to her.
Like and follow for more. Check out my YouTube link in bio.